Hey, XRP family, XRP holders, how are you doing as a fellow XRP holder? We've got a few things to talk about. 48 hours away from a pretty big decision. We're going to explain that. I'm going to explain that. There's nobody else here. It's just me. I don't know why I'm talking about myself in plural. We, I am going to tell you what's going to happen out in 48 hours. Can't talk today. All right. So we've got XRP right now down 1.6%. The overall market is down 1.4, just falling below that $4 trillion market cap. Ethereum down 2%. What is going on? Let's take a look over on the stock side. Stock side of the house, recording this video before the actual stock market opened. So the Dow futures are pointing to up 100, NASDAQ up 31. So this is all leading into, yes, right there, the Federal Reserve is on the verge of its first 2025 cut. The question is whether it will keep going. Now, so what is this having to do with your XRP and your crypto? Look, here's the bottom line. On Wednesday, 48 hours from now, about 1-ish in the afternoon, East Coast Standard Time, actually about 1:30 is usually about what time they do it. We are going to find out what the Federal Reserve is going to do about cutting that base interest rate. Yes, this does impact your crypto. It does impact your XRP. It does. Okay. Now, the consensus right now is that we have about a 97% chance that we're going to get a 25 basis point cut, 0.25%. The interesting thing here is whether or not we're going to get a bigger cut, whether or not we're going to get a 50 basis point cut, 0.50. That's the one that everybody is kind of like, waiting to see how this is going to play out. So keep an eye on what is going to happen Wednesday. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be covering it and letting you guys know what is going to happen, all that kind of stuff. So right here, also kind of digging a little bit deeper into why the market is down today over here on the right-hand side. We've got profit taking after gains, a 7-day rally. We were up where the entire market was up about 4.26%. We had some short-term exits, some liquidity leaving, profit taking, things of this nature. But again, it's really this one, Fed rate cut jitters. I've already told you we are expecting about a 97% chance odd that we're going to get a 0.25 cut. The interesting thing that I think really people are talking about or wondering about is whether I'm going to get a bigger one. So I think this run up that we had in the last couple of days, where we got the market up back up over 3 trillion, where we got Ethereum back up, we got XRP back up over $3, and so was some liquidity coming back, some speculative liquidity, speculative money coming in. People kind of going, hey, I think I'm going to put some money here before we get that actual interest rate cut decision. People basically betting on whether or not it's going to go up 0.5 or 0.25. Okay, so that's what we're seeing play out. So again, guys, this is how it is. Just stay tuned. This is what's going on right this second. I'm not really expecting anything major to happen today, I think, but people are going to be speculating on what is going to be playing out. And I think a lot of people are going to be sitting on the sidelines going, hey, I'm just going to wait and see how Wednesday is going to go with that. Okay. Links in the description below. Go pick up my free newsletter. It helps you generate profit and wealth for crypto and stocks. So go get that. And if you're also interested, look, I got a piece of software. It's a trading indicator. It's literally $1.15 per day. You have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. This is an example of it working on WorldCoin. Right here, you can see from here to here, 4 days, 123%. $1,000 put in here, sold here would have made you $1,233 in profit. What could you have done different with an additional $1,200 in your pocket in less than 5 days? That's what the software does. It literally runs on an iPhone, runs on Android. It literally will send you little pop-ups. They'll say, buy WorldCoin, buy XRP, sell, whatever crypto you want it to track, it will track and give you alerts on, okay? So it also works on stocks. This is Netflix. You can see this is Netflix chart right here. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. 92 days, 61+%. You can see it. Here's real-time Apple. So there it is, real-time working at Apple. Let's change that to like maybe the 6 hour, give you a little bit better insight into kind of what that chart looks like. You can see it right there. See? So buys and sells along the way. Like right here, look, buy here, sell here, 35 days, 15%. You get the point. Okay. So that's what the software does. It helps you to know when to buy, when to sell. Links are in the description below, right down there. Go pick it up. There's a discount code down there that makes it literally cost less than what you see on the screen. It costs $1.15 a day. And as I said, you got that 30-day, no questions asked, money back, refund, a guarantee. All right. I'll see you. Go give it a look. Take care.